Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama. Today I am going to show you guys a makeup look using some of the, sorry I'm out of breath, using some of the new makeup that I got from Joah Beauty. I'm very excited, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a little pop-up on the screen, a little video of what I got, and then show you how I apply it. Those are going to be I'm just going to put some like music over those, so it's going to be kind of like a soothing, chill type video, and then I'll come back on here and tell you guys what I think about the products.
Up all night by myself, trying to think of ways to use your voice stuck in my brain. We never got to see it through, and I know I feel more pain if we're speaking truth. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. Looking back at our time, hoping that we did it right. And give me any reason to call you up late at night. And we know it's for the best, I won't put up a fight. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know.
All right, so what did I use first? So I loved the eyeshadow palette. I think it's very pigmented. I did get some fallout like right underneath, down here, which wasn't an issue whatsoever. That darker shade that I used, I think it was the shade Root Beer, right on this outer corner, blew my mind of how pigmented it was. So that palette is very pigmented. So I'm really loving that. The liquid eyeliner is amazing. I love how like sharp the tip is. It was super easy to get a excuse me, a, obviously winged liner look. The mascara, the primer and the mascara, I really liked. I was thinking that it wasn't, in the beginning, I was kind of like, am I going to like this or not? And I ended up, I put like 2 layers on, and I felt like my lashes looked very curled. I didn't have like too much length to it, but it was pretty curled. But for like the bottom lashes, I feel like it looks amazing for the bottom lashes. I love it. The highlighter has to be like look at that, like one of my absolute favorite highlighters now that I have. I really like it a lot. What else did I use? I had a concealer that I was going to use, but I totally spaced using that. I had it right out in front of me and I didn't even use it. And then the setting spray, love the mist on that setting spray, is by far the best like mister that I have of any kind of setting spray that I have, and I have a lot. So I got the dewy one and the matte one, which I'm excited to try the matte one. The dew one I feel like gave me just a bit of just like hydration back to the skin. Yeah, that's all I can think of that I used. Obviously, I didn't use it that long ago, and I can't even remember now what I used, but I really like it a lot. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, I have been trying to post some videos up over there of using some of these makeup products, but I want to still stay consistent here on YouTube, obviously, with posting videos and tutorials and stuff like that. So if you guys ever have any recommendations, let me know down below. And I really like Joah Beauty. If you guys have, I wanted to say thank you to Abbies. If you aren't following her, her channel is always linked down below. I love Abby. I love you, Abby. She recommended that I try out some Joah Beauty products, so I did, and I'm very happy that I did. And I'll continue to wear those products and give you guys an update, and hopefully I'll try some more from them. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots.